Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a product review of another accessory for your VR headset. This one is by Hibloks. It is a little cooling fan that you can put on the top of your headset to keep you cool and to keep the lenses from fogging up. It also comes with this extra facial attachment, I guess, that you need to use in order to attach it, as you can see there. But we're going to go through an unboxing, I'll review it, and we'll talk about if I like it or not. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is what I received in the mail. This is the box here, you can see. Nice looking box. It's got a piece of tape down here. I'll scratch that off. And open this up. Alright, so we have our user manual. Tells you all the parts. Product list, we got a removable sponge face cover plus, radiator or the fan, a cable, and it tells you how to install each of them, so maybe we'll follow along with that as we go. Here's our new face cover there with the sponge part already attached to it. That feels pretty cushiony. I'm interested to see how that feels. Let's put this down here. Here we have our USB-C to USB-C charger cable for the fan itself. Nice ends. That looks good. I wonder, actually, let's see how long this is. So your normal about 3-foot cable there. And here we have what we came to see. Plastic on the outside. You can see the fans below. Charge port there. It's on the off. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, it does turn on. It has some charge to it already. So it has setting number 1 and setting number 2. I can hear the motor turn up a little bit there. And I'll turn that off just for a minute. If you look in the user manual, I thought I saw it here. It tells you that on setting 1, it's circulating wind. Circulates between high and low for continuous cooling. And setting 2 is high wind speed for continuous cooling. Setting 1 should last 3 hours and 30 minutes. Setting 2 will last 2 hours and 40 minutes on a full charge. Red light on is in charging, light off, fully charged. Blue light on, it's working, low power, red light will be flashing. To charge it, it says less than 70 minutes for a full charge. That's pretty good. Alright, so let's move this box off to the side. I don't think there's anything else in this. Nope, that is it there. Bring over my headset here. So we need to take off this one that I have. We are going to attach on the one from Hibloks here. And that kind of threw me off because I wanted to put that below, but it doesn't go below. It will go above. There we go. Press that into place. And then, what does it say? Does it say just press it on? Yeah, align the radiator with the 2 holes in the top and just insert it in. So we're just going to insert that in there. And there we are. So it adds a tiny bit of weight to the front. Not a ton. It's really not very heavy at all. But I'll go try it out here, and I will let you know how it feels. So after using it, here is my list of pros and cons. For pros, I thought that it really kept my face nice and cool while playing. There was no fogging up of the lenses, and while I was doing some more intense games, my face didn't really sweat at all, which was awesome. The charge time was good. I didn't notice any weight while playing, and I thought that the faceplate that comes with it, that cover, is actually quite comfortable. It blocks off more of the space around my nose to give me kind of that more full experience, whereas the original one lets a lot more light and visual through. In terms of cons, it is a little bit loud when you're playing with the fan on high. It didn't bother me, but I know that would bother some people. And I know that some people won't like that you have to use their face cover in order to attach the fan, because some people are more particular about their face cover. That's my pros and cons. If you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.